How to log in Facebook using Instagram. First of all, make sure your Facebook and Instagram account are connected. Open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top. Once you do that, what you have to do is tap on the option for Meta account. Tap on your profiles. You'll be able to see all of your profiles over here. Make sure you've added your Facebook account over here. Go back. Once you do that, you can go to the Facebook. Make sure you're in the login interface. You can simply enter the credentials of your Instagram account over here. Tap on the field of mobile number or email. Enter the mobile number or email over here. Make sure to provide the correct credential. Now enter your password. After you do that, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged in to your Facebook account. Like this, you can log in Facebook account using Instagram. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.